How to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. In this video, I will show you how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied. The first step is to open or launch the Uber Eatsware mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app where you will see different options that you can use to navigate to different parts of the app. From them, go to the menu at the bottom. The menu has several different sections. From them, tap this one here named Account. After that, you will land on the profile section of your account. On this page, there are different options that you can use to visit different pages on your profile. Next, tap on this option here named Help. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Finally, you will land on this page here where there are different topics that you find help. From them, the one we need is this one here. So, make sure you tap on it. After that, you will be taken to this other page. As you can see, the page has another section. Make sure you tap on it just like you can see here. Once again, this other page will appear where there is another option. Make sure to tap on it also. Finally, you will land on the help page of the app where they are trying to give you possible solutions to the issue you are facing. Make sure you read this information carefully to get a better understanding. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. In this section, there is an area for entering the order date. Make sure you enter it. Also, there is another text box where you have to type a short feedback message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. So make sure you explain to them clearly just like I am doing here. You can also copy what I have typed here. After that, send them the message by tapping here, submit, and they will receive it. Give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. Thanks. That is how to fix Uber Eats promo not applied.